Welcome back. In this video, we will see what are the steps involved to upload Facebook cover photo and Facebook profile picture. When you create a Facebook profile, you have two options. One is for your personal use and the other one is for the business. For the business, you have to create a page, and for your personal use, you need to create personal profile. Personal profile is meant only to share posts and videos for your friends and families, and the page what you are going to create, it is meant for business purpose. So let us see what are the steps involved to upload Facebook profile photo and Facebook cover photo. I have some files here in the folder which I'll be using to upload onto the Facebook page. So once you log in to your Facebook page, you have an option to select edit. Once you click on the edit, you have an option to choose the profile picture. Click on the edit option here and select the upload photo. This is the upload photo option here, and select the upload photo option here and choose the logo for your Facebook page. Click on open to open the photo, and you will be able to crop the photo what you have uploaded. If the photo looks good, you can straight away upload the photo as a profile picture. So I have already created this particular logo on canva.com, and I will straight away use this profile picture as it is without any correction. So I'll simply save. Once I save, this profile picture will be available on my Facebook page. So this is the logo which I wanted to use for my Facebook page. So the profile picture has been uploaded and it has been published. Next, I will click on the edit, and I wanted to upload the cover photo. Select upload photo and choose the cover photo. This is also created in canva.com. So I'll use the same cover photo as it is without any modification. After upload, you can click on save. And you have successfully uploaded the profile picture and the cover photo onto your Facebook page. If you wanted to see the cover photo and the Facebook profile picture has been uploaded successfully, you can simply click on this refresh icon to refresh your browser page, and you will be able to see the newly uploaded profile picture and the cover photo. So this is the image what I have uploaded. It looks good. So these are the steps involved to upload your profile picture and cover photo onto your Facebook page.